The DASH diet is a heart-healthy eating plan designed to help manage or prevent hypertension. It emphasizes nutrient-rich foods that support cardiovascular health while minimizing sodium intake. The DASH diet is supported by research for its effectiveness in reducing blood pressure and promoting overall well-being. Key components of the DASH diet. 1. Fruits and vegetables. A colorful assortment of fresh fruits, like oranges, apples, bananas, and berries, along with vibrant vegetables such as spinach, carrots, bell peppers, and broccoli, displayed in a farmer's market or a neatly organized kitchen. 2. Whole grains. A close-up of whole grain foods like brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat, bread, and oats, arranged in rustic bowls on a wooden table. 3. Low-fat or fat-free dairy. A spread of low-fat dairy products, including a glass of skim milk, a bowl of low-fat yogurt with fruit toppings, and a wedge of reduced-fat cheese on a white countertop. 4. Lean protein. Grilled chicken breast, baked salmon fillet, and a bowl of chickpeas served alongside fresh herbs, all plated on a clean, minimalistic white dish. 5. Nuts, seeds, and legumes. A variety of nuts, seeds, and legumes displayed in glass jars with a neutral background. 6. Healthy fats. A spread of heart-healthy fats, including olive oil in a glass bottle, a sliced avocado, a small plate of salmon, and a handful of walnuts on a cutting board. 7. Limit sodium. A salt shaker with a small amount of salt spilled on a table, paired with herbs and spices like parsley, rosemary, and garlic, symbolizing flavor alternatives. Benefits. 8. Blood pressure reduction. A smiling person having their blood pressure checked, with a focus on a healthy reading on the monitor. 9. Weight management. A balanced plate of food with proper portions, showing vegetables, grains, and lean protein, accompanied by a measuring tape and a glass of water. 10. Heart health. A heart symbol made from fresh produce like tomatoes, berries, and leafy greens, with a stethoscope wrapped around it.